Okay, good day everyone. Today we are going to be looking at determinant of the matrix, and from there we can find out. So, in the last video we looked at some yes we looked at multiplication of matrices, and in this video we'll just continue by looking at the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix and also 3 by 3 matrix. So, giving an example now, we have this example. We can see that let A be equals to, let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And let B, I just love using A and B, pardon me. Let B be equal to 1, 7, minus 1, minus 2. Now, we want to look for determinant of A. This can be written as this. I can also find this. I get it now. And I can also be able to find this. Do you get it? So this means determinant. It can also be written as depth of B. So if you have to find depth of B, or you have to find you are given something like an absolute value here of B matrix, then you actually need to find the determinant identity. So, and also we can also be given a question where maybe in this form you can give you probably a question. The question in this one maybe you have 1, 3, 2, 4. For those doing external exam, you can be given the question in this form, whereby you are just giving a straight slash here. This also means determinants. I get it now. So that's that. So okay, so let's quickly solve this question. But before we solve this question, I'm not going to solve both questions. I'm going to solve one and then use that the other one as an assessment. So from here, let's write down. Okay, let me solve for B. Find the depth of B. Let me use number one here. We have find depth of B. Find the depth of B. That is, let me remove this. Let me remove this. Find the depth of B. Let's say one here. We want to find the depth of B. That's determinant of B. Right there. So how do we find determinant of B? Very simple for a 2 by 2 matrix. What you just need to do, we already know that this is our row, and this is also our colon, right? And for this, what is very simple. What you just need to do is just multiply diagonal and subtract. You multiply the two diagonals and then subtract them from each other. So that's basically what you are doing. So what am I saying? Let me use another marker. So I'm going to multiply 1 and minus 2 together and subtract it from and subtract it from 7 times minus 3. I get it now. So that's what I want to do. So what is 1 times minus 2? Look at it. So what is 1 times minus 2 here? So you have what? So your depth of B, which is what I'm looking for, is let me move this. What is 1 times minus 2? 1 times minus 2, guys, now 1 times minus 2 give me minus 3. I get it now. And in the middle we have negative, always negative in the middle, and then you do the other one, you do this other one, which is 7 times minus 1. I get it now. So for the other one there, 7 times minus 1 will give me a, let me use a red marker for this. 7 times minus 1 will give me minus 7. Right there. Why 1 times minus 3, which is the blue side, will give me minus 1 times minus 2 will give me minus 2. Sorry, that is minus 2. That should be the correct answer there. 1 times minus 2 will give me minus 2, negative at the middle, and for the other side, which is this side, it is 7 times minus 1, which will give me minus 7. I get it now. And this at the end of the day gives me what? It gives me minus 2 plus 7, which is what? Which is equals to uh, 5. So that is the determinant of that matrix. Okay, so that gives us 5 there. So let me do for A also first so you get more better understanding. So for A also, the determinant of A here will be equals to 1 times 4, that is the blue side, 1 times 4, I get it, which is 4, I get it, minus the other side diagonal, which is 3 times 2. And 3 times 2 give me what? 6. I get it now. And then your 4 minus 6 gives me minus 2, which is the determinant of this matrix. Do you get it? And that is how you solve. And that's how you solve for a 2 by 2 matrix. Now, for a 3 by 3 matrix, another example, let me give an example. Let's say I have an example here, which is, uh, let's say we have 1 minus 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Let me remove this minus because for the sake of something, I have a reason for that. Let's say we have 1, 1, 1 here. Let's say we now have minus 1. Let's say minus 2, and let's say 1. So we are given this matrix. Let's say this matrix is matrix C. I want to find the depth of C. I get it now. I want to find the depth of C. So how do we find the determinant of C here? So very simple. Very simple. In order to find the determinant of C here, it's very simple to do. First of all, we need to get these cofactors of these first three elements of your row 1. Again, now, that is, what are the cofactors? This is a positive cofactor. This is the positive here. This is negative, and this positive cofactor. I get it now. So this is a positive cofactor, negative and positive cofactor. But just know that for a determinant of 3 by 3, this is a positive side, this is negative, and this positive. And there is a reason for that. Probably in our future videos, we'll tell you more on that. And then, so for this one now, so what do you do? Very simple. This one is very simple. So what do you do here? First of all, we start with this. You start like this. You are going to delete. You start with this first one. I get in this now, and you are going to delete all the members in the this thing. What's it called? In the vertical and horizontal side. That is, we are going to delete all the members in this uh, vertical side here, and use blue marker. We are going to delete all the members along the vertical side of this guy here, and also along the horizontal side of this guy. I get it now. I get it now. So if I delete everybody here and everybody here, I get, what do I have left? Here, it's just this. So I have just this left at the end of the day. I getting it now. So I getting it now. So now let's quickly look at that. So if I delete everybody here, so we have 1. So solution for this is, we have something like sorry, we have something like, we have 1 here. You start with your 1, which is this 1 here, and then you have, I get it now. You start with this 1. I wrote 1 here, and then you delete everything that is in the vertical and the horizontal side of that one. That is, delete everything here, delete everything here. So what do we have left here? We have 1, 3, minus 2, and 1. So we have 1, 3, minus 2, and 1. Do you get it now? So do you get it? So 1, 3, minus 2, and 1. Do you get it now? So that's how you do that. And that's how you solve that step. So for the other one, sorry about that. Okay, so having deleted, I have this. You get it now. So from there, we also have the negative here. Move to the next element here, which is 1. So we have the negative here, so we have negative, and we have the 1 here, so we have 1 here. And then we have same thing, delete all the elements in the vertical and the horizontal axis of this element 1. And what do I mean by that? I'm going to delete all the elements in the horizontal axis, that is everything here, and also delete all the elements in the vertical axis. I get it now. So what do I have left here? 2, minus 1, 3, and 1. I get it now. So since I have all this left, So we have let me remove this. So we have uh 2 minus 1, 3 and 1 left. You get it? So that is that there. And then for the last one there, which is plus 1, which is this third element plus 1, and then you do the same thing again. We are going to delete all the elements in the vertical and the horizontal side. That is deleting this and deleting this. So what do you have left here? 2, 1, minus 1 and minus 2. So doing that now, so you have you have 2, you have 2, 1, minus 1 and minus 2. So from there we have this. I get it now. So at the end of the day, when you solve this one like you are solving the determinant of a matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. That is 1 times 1 will give me 1. I get it now. Minus 3 times minus 2 giving minus 6. Abi? So minus 6 plus minus this times minus give me plus 6. I get it now. Minus 1. 2 times 1 gives me 2. I get it. 2 times 1 give me 2. So we have 2 here. 2 times 1 give me 2. Minus 3 times minus 1 give me minus 3. Times this minus here give me plus 3. I get it now. Plus 1. We have 2 times minus 2 give me minus 4. Minus 1 times minus 1 give me minus 1 times this minus that plus 1. So I'm solving what I have inside here, just the way I solve with my 2 by 2 matrix, and then I have this and this. So from here we have what 1 times 7 right there, the minus 1 times 5 right there, plus 1 plus 1 in brackets minus 3 right there. So we have this at the end of the day. So opening this bracket, we have what 7 minus 5, this is a plus here, and minus 3. I get in that. So from here, what do we have? We have 7 minus 5 minus 3. That gives us minus 7 minus 8, which is minus 1. So the determinant of that matrix is minus 1. Very simple. So this comes to the end of this video about determinant. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and also share to those who need it. So I'll see you in the next video.